Hi, everybody. Welcome to Character Modeling. That's right, we're reaching the end of week 5. Really great stuff so far. I took a look at all the assignments and everything. Grades were pretty good. If you haven't turned in any assignments, please contact me immediately. I'll help you out. That way we can get you back caught up, ready to go. Other than that, well done on the stuff. Everyone that turned in their stuff. Really excited. Great job on that. And yeah, we're getting into it. So for the rest of this week, I want you to focus on your mud box and your character bodies. Really get into them, really detail it. Don't worry about any discussions. This is just a reminder of what's going down. Keep in mind both those assignments are due on Sunday. Also, for your Mudbox assignment, make sure in the box where you can your text box, or if you want to turn in a Word document, please let me know what tools you used in Mudbox. That way, I know you used some tools to manipulate the template model that you're going to use. So that's pretty much the goal. Other than that, that's all I got. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Have fun. If you need me, let me know. Other than that, that's all I got. Enjoy, my friends. Bye-bye.